So as you can see, you can use all of these sophisticated computerized components and syntax to get information, and you need to know how to use some of that to be a good network troubleshooter. But you also need to be able to just look at the idiot lights basically, just like on the dashboard of your car. And there are a lot of those in networks. We don't call them idiot lights, we call them link lights, and we call them collision lights. But it's one of the first things that you should look at in regards to connectivity. So for example, if you're having a problem connecting a computer from if you've got it plugged in to a network interface card, you've got a cable plugged in, you're trying to connect to a hub, and you're having a problem connecting that, and you're pinging and you're not getting any reply, well, you might want to take a look at the link lights. Take a look at the link light on the network interface card, take a look at the link light on the hub, and if you don't have link lights, then chances are you've either got a bad cable or maybe it's just not plugged in completely. Sometimes an RJ45 can fool you. It looks like it's plugged all the way into the socket, but it's not. And sometimes the best way to find out isn't just to push on it, although sometimes that'll do it. You push on it and it'll click into place. But sometimes the best thing to do is to pull it back out and then plug it back in. You'll be amazed at how many times that can fix the situation. Now it depends as far as what the link lights are doing, what color they're flashing, or how fast they're flashing is a vendor specific kind of thing. But the link lights will tell you about connectivity, and they'll also tell you about collisions. And if you start getting some really crazy link lights that the collision lights are just going nuts, then chances are you've got a loop. You've basically got a couple of hubs that are looped back into each other. And as we said, what a hub does is it will just keep on sending the signal out any port that you put it in one port and it'll send it out all the other ports. Well, if two hubs are looped back into each other, then that process just continues to accelerate and accelerate and accelerate. And what you'll find is that the link lights will be going nuts and the computers will be at a crawl as far as the network is concerned. In fact, it can actually affect the computer in regards to just working with it locally, because it's trying so hard to do something on the network that it's pulling down the other resources in the computer. So you should be familiar with link lights and know basically what those link lights are trying to tell you.